Okay, guys, so I know it's my first video on the next drill, but we are in a wedge right now. It just expanded like 3 times out of complete nowhere. It's like 2 miles wide. Oh my god. Yo, can you see the outside of it? I can't. Yes. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. The moment it drops down like 50, I'm doing it. We did it. We did it. Ooh. I got out of my car. Good. I'm getting 160 on my other pro. Oh, put up. I'm so sorry. It's over. It's over. It's over. I'm getting 140. Yep. I'm getting 150. 160. It's going up slow. This is my end. Look at the radar. Oh my god. No. I got arrow. I mean arrow. Wait, that's what? What? You want that right now? What? Still? We're like almost in the air. Let's see this thing. Expanding. No, don't do this to me. No. It's expanding, bro. This isn't fair. Stop expanding. Stop. We just got another wedge in here casually, bro. Bro, look at this. There's 2 of them. I'm getting the tail cloud from a brighter light. I'm in its wind field. This isn't fair. I'm in the wind field. I'm getting 140. I got 233 on my probe. Oh my gosh. Holy. Yo. Yeah. What? I told you I didn't want it to happen again, and look what happened again. Oh my gosh. It's gonna do the same thing as my other tornado. It's gonna just have a massive explosion on the thingy, on the tornado track. It keeps green. There's nothing in the path of it. What? It is. I don't think it's expanding. What? For me, I can only see one. Oh, it's expanding. Yup, it's expanding. Is the other one multiple miles wide? Yes. Hey, yeah, bro. I'm pretty sure the other one is like a mile wide as well. Oh no, it's not. It's like I can't see where the other edge is. Is that the other edge over? Okay, that's still the tornado. Oh, there's the other edge. It's shrinking a little bit, I think. Or is that the other edge? Okay, yep, no, I don't think it shrinked. Bro, get me out of this car, bro. cops. Yeah, you think my cars with 30% damage or more, bro? I got sent into the stratosphere. Literally. It's not fair. Assist. Is the other side in Baroqua? Or am I stupid? I can't tell. These power flashes aren't doing anything for me. Okay, there's one side. I can see that one. I can't see the other side. It's neither side. I can only see both sides. I think that's the other side. It's like a mile wide. Oh, that's the other side. I see it now. Okay, so boy, you see that side, right? Yeah. That's the other side right there, or more like over there. Oh yeah, the other side's right here. It's right here. So it's only like a mile wide still. Don't get me wrong. The other wedge is completely gone too. They're all gone. Oh my gosh. Starbuck is leveled. Basically, in certain areas. Not even, I'm stupid. But Starbuck got hit still. I think this thing exploded all the way to Starbuck. Like, I'm genuinely not even joking. I think it expanded all the way to Starbuck. I think. Yeah, this is getting EF. This is getting rated EF4. It's hard to get an EF5 tornado in Twisted. Yeah, because they need to always hit big cities. I can't see a thing. Yeah, this gas station is like somewhat gone. Yeah, this thing. I'm gonna jump out and rate this. This thing exploded, bro. Bro, it did the exact same thing like the other one, bro. It was just a common little funnel. I was like, oh, this isn't gonna be anything special. And then 2 seconds later, it just starts exploding for zero reason. And then it just goes like 3 miles wide. Like, rate it EF5. What? I don't rate, it gives me the damage. I just rate the damage. Then it says whatever EF5, EF it is. Like this, I could probably rate damage of EF5, like here. I need this thing to pop up. Cause like, I need to see this, bro. It's in 3 seconds, potentially we'll be here. Are we still on the map or something? Okay, why is there a tornado at 11 p.m. just now forming in 10 strike, bro? It's almost midnight, bro. Why now? Also, bro, I'm like an unsuspecting child compared to this thing. Bro, that was like coughing baby versus hydrogen bomb, bro. Like, that was a literal bomb the way it exploded. Unsuspecting baby. Unsuspecting dying ant, bro. Also, nice try. Bam! Oh, rail. Bruh. Oh, poop. What? There's down power lines everywhere, bro. Are they?
Need this thing to something.
Oh, these people are cooked.
Is it there yet, Bob?
No. So see, I would go to that tornado right now, but hurry up, bro.
Tornado 1 was at EF3, buddy.
EF2.
Whoa. Got rated EF2. Oh my gosh.
Even though that,
It's 132?
even though that 200 plus wins, but okay.
You mean estimated wins 132? I need this thing to like pop up.
Hydrogen bomb versus coffin baby comparison, bro. Really? I'm suspecting ants versus hydrogen nuclear bomb.
It's not. Can we potentially swing? Buddy.
Water Prior Lake.
Buddy. I'm gonna do something. Let's try. Oh my goodness. Look at the new stuff. That's 400 SRH, 6,000 K.
Oh, launch. Oh. And it's only 53 miles an hour. Thank you. Wait, why is it not saying day 2? Here we go. Bro! That's not the correct one. That's the wrong tornado, bro. Wrong one. Right direction, but not quite. Skipping over number 2.
Tornado 2 is the third one.
Like, it literally went 1, skip a few, 3. Like,
The big.
it's here. 3.33 miles wide. That wasn't the 174 wins. I got 230, bro. Oh my gosh. EF4. Oh my gosh, bro. Only it wasn't at nighttime. Yeah, you like these wedges, bro?
Classify that as wedge. That's not a wedge anymore. That's just like supersized bloop.
That's death. That's just a wall of death, bro.
That's just. If you're in Mixpo, you're just dead.
If this thing shifted down in a mid spot, I don't think we would have gotten it this big. It would have gone straight out of the map.
It started as a K-sized wedge. Like, maybe it started as a big funnel.
I need to compare this thing to the other one.
It started as a big.
If you guys didn't see the other one that I posted on, this is the other one.
Started as like a big funnel, and it got a little bit better. They're like, oh, it's expanding. It's expanding even more. Expanding even more. I knew at the end it was expanding. Look how big it got at the end. At the end, it just got absolutely massive. This thing wasn't on the bottom of the map, and it's falling like in Hazleton. We probably would have got maybe a 5 mile ride. I bet you.
I don't know about that one, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Nice face reveal, I know. Whatever. But yeah, I did not expect to make a video today. On this wall I did, because I had to face reveal. But, yeah, here I am.
This is going to
But,
be strange.
oh!
Yeah.
I was not expecting this thing to just pop up and just, like... But, yeah, that's it.